Welcome to Easy Forex Chart Analysis. Today I'm going to teach you, I don't want to call it a strategy, but it is something you can use also to find trades if you are struggling with daily bias or in which direction to trade as you open your daily time frame. All right, so straight into the video. This strategy is simple. You're going to look for one candle per time. All right, which means that you are going to look for one daily candle. All right. So in this case, we are going to look for yesterday's candle. Yesterday was 28th October 2024. So we are going to look at yesterday's candle and we are going to mark the high and the low. So we are looking at step index now, and this was yesterday's candle. And this was the high and this was the low. Okay. So once you've marked the high and the low, you are waiting for one side of the candle to be liquidated, which means that we should trade below that or above that without closing above it on a lower time frame. Let me repeat here. We are on the daily time frame and this candle is going to close by 12 a.m. midnight. All right. So we are not going to waste the whole day without taking a trade. So all that we want to see is that as today's candle has opened, we want to see it trade either above yesterday's candle or below yesterday's candle. And then on the lower time frame, you will look for weak rejections that shows that price does not intend to close below. Then we will take our trade towards the upside. That is if we first take the low, or we will take our trade towards the downside. That is if we first take the high. So as we can see, we want to label this one as a PDH, previous day high, and then label this as a PDL, previous day low, PDL, and put it at the bottom. So we are going to switch to our 15 minutes time frame and wait. All right. So we go to 15-minute time frame. Great. And I'm going to zoom out. So on our 15 minutes time frame, this is our previous day, that is yesterday's high, and this was yesterday's low, which means that yesterday the candle opened here and then traded up and closed somewhere around here, and today's candle opened around here and then we traded down a bit. We are pushing up and we seem to be coming down again. All right. So all that we are doing is we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting for one of these scenarios to play out, and then we are going to take our trade. So since we are much closer to the low, of the view that price may trade a little bit below the low and then get us back into the range. Once we see a bullish structure on the 5-minute time frame, we are going to join this trade and target the high, hoping that price will go above yesterday's high. All right, will go above yesterday's high. So that is yesterday's high. Let me see previous day's high. That is our previous day's high for us right there. So that is going to be the strategy. All right, previous day's high right here, and this is our previous day's low. Right. So we are still waiting. This strategy can be applied to all the assets. You can apply to all the assets. So we are in a waiting mode. This is midnight open. This was our midnight open. Today's candle open here. So we call it midnight open price. So let me explain one other thing here that is going to help your trading journey. I think I've ever mentioned in it one of my videos. I don't remember which one it is. If we are looking for a bullish move, okay, Now, when the daily candle opens, we want to see it trade down first before turning and going up. And if we are bearish and the daily candle opens, you want to see it trade up first and then go down this way. All right. So let's assume today we are bullish. So as we are bullish, today's candle open on this particular example, we open here and started what? Trading down. When I go to the daily time frame, you can see that today's candle is still bearish. Let me go there and show you something right now. Today's candle is still bearish. The red candle, that is today's candle. So we opened, traded up a bit, and we are coming down. All right. So since we are bullish, as market is coming down, that is if we are bullish, if as market is coming down, we are hoping that at least it takes some liquidity, and after it takes liquidity, it gives us a market structure shift, a change of character or whatever, and then we take our trade to the upside, targeting the previous highs. All right. So that is the strategy for us. So you can apply to any time frame at all, any time frame at all from your 1 hour upwards. All right, it's very effective. So you have to do a back test to show to know how effective it is, so that you'll be able to apply it on your charts anytime you open your chart to trade. All right. So that is it. We are watching to see how price will behave, or will try to give us our entry. So let me reactivate the session breaks. So to activate the session breaks, you just right click on this line that has the time line on it. Then you select session breaks, and you see that the marks will come and separate the chart for you. So on the lower time frame, you can see how yesterday or the previous days trading range was. So yesterday, 3 days ago, this was the trading range. So the candle opened here and traded back down here. So it was a bearish day. And then yesterday was a bullish day. And today we seem to be getting some kind of a bearish day. So maybe you will see some move to the downside before maybe a price will resume to be trading to the upside. That we don't know. So we will confirm that on the lower time frame as we keep watching. But I don't want the video to be long, so I'll quit the first part, and then after we have had our entry, I'll record the other part and send to you on the page. If you like the video, make sure that you share or you download it and watch it over and over again. If you have any questions, you can ask me and I'm going to answer. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.